boAt Aavante Prime 7050DA Soundbar. Main features are boAt Aavante Prime 7.1.4 7050DA is a flagship 700-watt RMS soundbar featuring Dolby Atmos and a 7.1.4 channel configuration for an immersive home theater experience. Audio configuration. It uses a 7.1.4 channel setup with a 700-watt total output, including 11 drivers across the main bar and satellites. Dolby Atmos and Surround. Features dedicated upward-firing drivers in both the main bar and the wireless rear satellites to create vertical sound immersion. Subwoofer. Includes a wooden-framed 8-inch bottom-firing wired subwoofer designed to deliver powerful bass that shakes the sofa. Connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI, eARC, optical, aux, USB, and coaxial ports. Customization. The master remote allows for independent control of bass and treble, -5 to +5, and includes EQ modes for movies, music, sports, and news. Audio quality reviewers on YouTube praise the system for reaching high volumes without losing clarity, though some users on Flipkart noted that vocal clarity could be slightly improved in certain modes. Build and design. The soundbar features a premium matte finish with a metallic front grille and a bright LED display that is easily readable from a distance. Value for money. Testers from Gadget Gig consider it one of the best budget Dolby Atmos options available in 2026. 7.1.4 channel surround sound for true cinematic audio. 700-watt RMS output power. Very loud and powerful. Dolby Atmos support for 3D spatial sound. 8-inch wired subwoofer for deep bass. Dual wireless rear satellite speakers for surround effect. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for wireless music streaming. Multiple inputs: HDMI, eARC, USB, aux, optical, and coaxial. EQ sound modes: movie, music, sports, news.